Hi, I'm Dee Jepsen. I'm a professor in agriculture, safety, and health at The Ohio State University, and we are at the Farm Science Review. And we are talking farm safety because not just Farm Science Review, it's also National Farm Safety and Health Week. Anytime we put farmers and agriculture and land management together, we have to think about safety of the workforce, sustainability of that workforce, keeping them healthy, keeping them safe. This year we happen to be focusing on a little bit newer twist as drones and artificial intelligence starts to enter into our industry. What are we doing for safety? And that's where my head always is thinking about that. We do not have recommendations for the tender trailers that service the drones out in the fields. So I started to look at what kind of best recommended practices we could put in place for those workers and those drone operators, and also the bystanders that a drone would bring as people come out to watch a drone. How are we thinking safety for everyone involved? This is new ground. We don't have an owner's manual. And so this is kind of exciting work to say, what are we going to do to just keep it in check? I am not here to create a standard. I'm here to make sure that we all get to go home safely at the end of the day and have fun flying our drones as well.